Hey guys, we've been getting quite a few people asking us about fitting 35s on a Tacoma that's lifted about 3 inches, especially the 3rd gen, which is the 2016 to current models. It's doable, as you see here, but it does require a bit of work, trimming, body mount chop, and pulling a bit of caster to completely clear at this ride height. This 2017 Taco scene here is on a set of custom King shocks with extended travel, lifted about 3.5 inches. We trimmed the front over fender and did a cab mount chop in-house. Our buddy Brandon over at Club Auto in Rowland Heights helped us pull the caster, and there's no more rubbing whatsoever on and off-road, even with articulation. So for those that ask, yes, it's doable. It just takes time and requires modifying things to make it work. If you're not a car or truck guy that likes making things work, this is not the project for you. Leave all the hate comments to yourself. If you're going to talk trash about trimming or ruining MPG, well, maybe you shouldn't buy a truck if you're worried about MPG. Loss in power, yes, but very minimal. This truck here will be getting re-geared shortly after we dial in some other suspension parts and throw on some armor and other accessories. So please make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned to see more videos of this build. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We try to get to them as soon as possible. Give us that thumbs up, definitely helps with our videos. Wishing all of our subscribers and viewers a happy holiday season. Please enjoy the rest of the video and comment below what you think. Do the 35s look perfect on a Tacoma with this size lift? Does it look too big? Would you do it? Let us know.